Let me show you how to make medium rare venison backstrap with Saskatoon berry sauce. You're going to need 1 cup of Saskatoon berries, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 whole cloves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice along with the zest of 1 lemon. You can use 1 star anise or equal parts anise seeds and fennel seeds. A little salt and pepper for seasoning, and you're good to go. Pop it on the heat and bring it to a simmer. Now you want to preheat a pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Take your backstrap, rinse it off, and pat it dry. So let's check in on our sauce. It's looking pretty great, but I want to change it up. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and half a cup of beef stock. Take your backstrap, cut it into manageable pieces, and season with salt and pepper. And don't forget to remove any silver skin, which I forgot to do. Now you're going to head over to your pan. Sear each side of your venison for 1 minute. It's going to lock in the flavor and the moisture. You want to get all the juice out of those Saskatoon berries, so give them a little smush. Now you're going to take your backstrap, wrap it up in some foil, and pop it in a 400-degree oven for 8 minutes. Once they're done in the oven, let them rest for 10 minutes. Ooh, our sauce is looking awesome. Be sure to give it a taste as you're letting it simmer down. Once your backstrap's done, give it a slice. And don't forget to feed the wild animals. And there you've got a savory berry sauce with venison.